Now I'm ready to grout. Safety first, mask on, and I like to always pour a little water into the bottom of my container before I add any grout, because that keeps the grout from sticking to the bottom of the container. Trying to get to the consistency of brownie batter to cookie dough. I am just going to transfer this on. And just really push hard and get this in every little space. I like the grouting process because it's that one thing that goes all the way through the project and sort of ties everything together. Plus, I think when I was a kid, I liked playing in the mud. It's like permission as an adult to play in the mud. So in this case, I have an edge to work against. So I'm just really using my hand to force the grout in, not just around the edge, but everywhere. This is looking pretty good. Now I'm just going to ever so lightly, with as much as I can squeeze out of this sponge, not trying to clean it at this point. I'm just kind of leveling it out, getting some of the excess off. It's important when you're rinsing your sponge to really wring as much water out of it as possible, because we don't want to add more water to our project. We're really just wiping it, getting the excess off. Too much water makes your grout weak. And we're just going to let this set up a little bit, and then we'll buff it off.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, life's a mosaic. You pick the pieces.